Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take some basic summer outfits and just make them a little bit more stylish. So these three outfits are the kind of thing that you would probably wear during the summertime. I've got a pair of shorts in one of them to hopefully also prove that yes, you can still wear shorts after 50. And this particular pair I think are great. They come in lots of colours and they've just gone into the sale. So I will tell you all about those in a minute. And then I have a pair of white jeans and a t-shirt outfit, which I'm going to make much more stylish. And finally, I've got the outfit that I'm wearing, which is the finished product. So you'll see how I started it off. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting with this pair of white linen shorts. Now on me, a pair of shorts and a basic t-shirt is not a particularly flattering outfit. I don't wear shorts very often, but I did find these this season. They are from Benetton and they come in probably 7 or 8 colours. They literally just pull on, they're really comfortable to wear, and I think they're a really nice length as well. Now, I would never tell you that whatever age or whatever size you are, you can't wear shorts, because as I've said before, and you know, probably sound like a broken record, it all comes down to how confident you are in what you're wearing. So if you feel confident in a pair of shorts and you like yourself in them, then please feel free to wear them. Now for me, with just a boxy t-shirt over the top, it's not a particularly flattering look. So I've swapped out the t-shirt and I've put in a linen top. And this one has got a little bit of room for the tummy area and the midriff area, which is the bit that I don't particularly want to show off. And then I've gone with a sort of black and white theme with this. Now, obviously that's not for everybody. I like it, and especially for the summertime, I really like wearing white. So I've swapped out the shoes and I've put in a pair of espadrilles that are white trimmed with black, so to kind of pick up on that theme. I've added a bracelet in there just to, again, to add on the black. And then I've added a bag which is black and white trim. Now this bag I've had for years, but again, because this is a theme that comes up over and over again, this sort of monochrome look, I'm sure that I can find something and link it for you. So anything that is still available I will link in the description box, or I will try and find some alternatives for you. And then the final thing that I've added is a pair of sunglasses. During the summertime, and in fact during the winter time as well, a pair of sunglasses always adds that little stylish touch to your outfit. So even if you do nothing else, if the sun's shining, pop on a pair of sunglasses. I have multiple pairs and they've become part of my accessories wardrobe, and you don't have to spend a fortune on them. You can get some really great sunglasses now in all different shapes and sizes and colours, so you can easily add a couple of pairs to your accessories wardrobe. Now the second outfit is a pair of white jeans, and again I've just started it off with a simple t-shirt, which for me again is not a great look. It's too boxy, it's not particularly flattering, it doesn't feel particularly stylish. But you know, a lot of women, if you are a minimalist, jeans and a t-shirt might be your go-to outfit. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I'm just going to make this outfit a little bit more interesting. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I've swapped out the t-shirt for a vest top, and again, as you know, I wouldn't wear a vest top on its own without anything over the top of it. Not necessarily because of my arms, it's more because all that you're seeing is your eyes are focusing on this area of me, which I don't want you to do. I've popped a little kimono jacket over the top, and something lightweight like this one is great because it's not really going to make you any warmer, but it is going to be much more flattering, because what it's doing is it's cutting down the length of my body vertically, so it's kind of giving the illusion that it's narrower than it is, and that's a little style tip for you. Anywhere where you cut the body, it shortens it. So it's the same with trousers. If you wear a pair of trousers that have got some kind of line or detail across the leg, it's going to cut the leg. So if you've got shorter legs, then avoid doing that. And again, to emphasize that long straight line, I've popped a necklace down the front as well. And you'll know that this is a trick which I use all the time. And again, I've added a pair of sunglasses. Now for my third look, I started with these linen trousers, and again just a simple t-shirt and a pair of espadrilles. This is a very easy go-to outfit for the summer, but for me I just feel like it's too boring. This all comes into your personal style. So for you, my finished outfits might feel like they're overdressed. So don't judge this on what you like, judge it on the fact that for me this is right. It's something that I focus on in my 6-step style journey, because we really need to understand our personality to know how we can look our best. Are we somebody that needs accessories, or are we somebody who just needs clean, simple lines? So if you don't like my outfits, it's not necessarily because they look wrong, it's probably because that's not your personal style. So think about your personal style when you're putting these outfits together. It may be that I've added one accessory too many and you would add less than that. Anyway, going back to this outfit, because for me it's too plain, it's too simple, I've swapped out the t-shirt and I've put this little top on because it's something that's just got a little bit more detail to it. And for me, it's making those linen trousers just feel a little bit prettier. And of course I've added the necklace again because I'm not wearing a piece over the top, so I'm not creating that line, I'm creating it with the necklace this time. And then I've added a pair of pretty shoes. Now again, these are quite old. I bought them from LK Bennett quite a few years ago, I think in the sale. They do similar things every year, but look out for something that's got a little bit of detail in it, and you'll see that I've really pulled the colours together that are in the bag with the top and the trousers and the necklace. So I've kept the colour scheme quite close together with the navy and this sort of soft yellow colour. So those are my 3 summer outfits, just made a little bit more stylish for me. As I said, it all comes down to personality and what you feel comfortable in. If you're interested in my 6-step style journey, which teaches you all of this, and I work with you to make sure that your wardrobe really reflects you and your personality, I'm going to put some details down in the description box for you. Or if you've got any questions, then please do get in touch with me. As always, leave me a comment. Again, if you've got questions, you can leave it as a comment in the comments section. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. As always, if you haven't already subscribed, then I would love it if you did. And I will see you again next time. Bye for now.